high and unafraid. Through the misty morn they glide, graceful steps as they confide. In the woods where whispers roam, leaves and twigs their humble throne. Silent watchers of the dawn, running free till night is drawn. Deers run free in meadows wide, underneath the azure sky. Hearts so wild beneath the trees, nature's dance in gentle breeze. Tiptoe past the river's edge, nimble feet on nature's stage. Every leap an artful dance, caught in nature's loving trance. Whitetail flash and disappear into forests crystal clear. Their freedom moves the silent earth, every step a sign of worth. Deers run free in meadows wide, underneath the azure sky. Hearts so wild beneath the trees, nature's dance in gentle breeze.